Hello, yes, it's Joe here for JOYRIDERtv. Today, we're cruising with Eustace. Hey! That's right, he's from Germany. Right, if you could pull the downhaul on to full beams. So the boom, yeah, that's the spot. And I think we're good to go. Okay, so we've got no actual objective on this outing other than to go along. We've got it's probably about 20 knots, maybe 22. Okay, you can go out, dude. And maybe one objective is there's another 16 out and we want to catch him. He's quite a long way away, but maybe we can find him if we go really fast. Alright, we've actually lost rudder number 2. So, just going to put that up all the way. Will it stay up? No. Now I was putting the rudder down again. Here you go, you can hold on to that one. But of course, make sure that I have enough to... Alright. Maybe just go forwards a little bit. Okay, so we're just moving forwards, just because we're not quite as far downwind, so we're just putting a bit more hull in. I think we are closing the gap a little bit on the other 16. We'll see. In fact, maybe we should just take it down the mine shaft now, see how fast this bad boy will go. I think it's quite fast. Okay, so just playing loads of main sheet to control the boat, really hanging out the back of it. Looking for the next gust is coming. Chop's getting a bit bigger as we come further away from Gusty Mountain. Woo-hoo-hoo! Anybody's flugelhorn on such a day. Woo! Okay, we'll go back up a little bit, so just move forwards. Oh my goodness, that was quick. 22.58 on the Locosys GW60. Just taking the slow climb back up. Oh, and I think I've spotted something which would be of interest to the viewers, and that is the Goodall Design C2 is out with a German-Belgian team. Maybe we should see, is the 16 faster than the C2? Can we put our money where our mouth is? Okay, maybe we can. That's going to save 2 minutes if we can do that. So maybe we need to put an attack fairly soon. Okay, if you want to go back onto the boat there, dude. Okay, you ready? Tacking. to swap the jib travellers round, and oh yeah, so release this one, but you might have to let the jib sheet off to be able to do it. Cool, and then if you can adjust the boom cam. Back on board. Okay, right, we can't hang about because the target is just upwind there. There we go. Oh yeah, you can do. Alright, we got to try not to hit any windsurfers. That is one of the rules there. No hitting windsurfers, please. Because it's just up there. Alright. Yeah, I should be sailing up here. Sorry dude, bit of erratic steering there. Okay, so we have the C2 in our sights. Woo. Not really sending it, not trapezing. Looks like they're taking it fairly steady there. Maybe we shouldn't encourage them, they seem a bit out of control. They're really like that I just said that. Perfectly in control. Okay, and we'll take it down the mine shaft on the next gust. There's a be a bit of dirty wind and a bit of clean wind. Just trying to eke every bit of power out of the 16. There's just not quite enough breeze just here. In fact, let's go back into the boat, turn around and go and find something with a bit more flavour. Okay, right. You ready for a jibe? Okay, let's go there. Okay, we've just got those usual housekeeping tasks. Oh, and the camera, sorry dude. I know it's extra jobs. Alright, so if you just joined us, it's quite unlikely actually because you'd have probably been watching from the start. If you're still here, we're going out for another look because we just want a bit more wind, see if we can notch it up, get a bit more speed out of 16 number 2 here. Incidentally, 16 number 2 has been the most featured 16 on Joyrider TV this year so far. Been the subject of about 4 or 5 live videos where we put it together, and pretty much every video during lockdown has been on number 2. What a lucky boat. Going straight down the mine shaft here. Eustace is no stranger to the mine shaft. Thumbnail there. It's all about the good thumbnail. Okay, we'll go back up a little bit just to get a bit more wind. Oh, it's good that it's so wet. It's doing a good job in keeping the cameras clean. Oh yeah. Go forwards a bit there. There we go. Okay, if you're thinking there's not quite as much chat as normal, that's because there isn't. So there you go, you know, it must be quite nice just to be out here without the incessant chatting going on consistently, just saving Eustace's ears a little bit. Okay, we'll go for a taxi indeed, so if you want to go in first. Alright, you ready? Okay, and we'll go there. Whoop. Oh. Alright, so get that traveller all the way out on the jib. I'm going to pull the traveller in a little bit more, see if we can eke a little bit more out of 16 number 2 on this final charge to glory. Pain is temporary, glory is forever, apparently, unless it hurts a lot, in which case, ow. Okay, alright, here we go, first gust, let's see what she's got. Okay, we're back into driving like you stole it mode. Just trying to go deep downwind as possible with the hull just free of the water. Playing loads of main sheet, because that's how we know where we are in terms of power. The more we're playing the main sheet, the more we know where we are. Easing off a bit in the gust there, coming down a bit, sheeting in. Ready for the next bit, here we go. Oh yeah, that's some speed there. Hopefully there's no one to leeward of us. I didn't really, whoa. 23.15, yes! Oh, I haven't managed to do 23 knots all day, and there it is. Thank you very much. And, all right, we'll go forwards a bit again. I'm not saying our work here is done, but I'm not sure if we're going to get any more out of it today. Woo! All right, and back again for another go. I think we might have actually just gone back in time to Tuesday. It was Wednesday there most of the day, but we are seriously hoofing now. That's hoofing. Just going past photography. Woohoo! That's Miles. He's a photographer who shoots first, ask questions later. Oh, all right. I'm running out of steam on the left arm a little bit. Okay. Okay, and we'll go back onto the boat there, dudes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. Now that was cooking. Good work, Eustace. Okay, so there we go. That was cooking the goose there with Eustace on the 16 top speed, 23.15. We'll just check the stats on the way in. Downhole. Oh yeah, downhole and jib off. Yeah, sorry man. At some point I should probably not look at the stats and instead look at steering the boat. Okay, if you can tie us up or hold on to the boat, I'll drop the mainsail. Woo! All right. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Thanks to Eustace for his bravery and elegant trapezing skills. And we'll be back soon with some more on JOYRIDER TV.